Hey, Cara, I want to give you a sneak peek of Sing in Irish, the course. So I've got the course open now. What you have access to at the beginning is 4 traditional songs in the Irish language. But don't worry if this feels too overwhelming, because I'll show you how we've broken down these songs and to give you the cultural context. So you can see when you get into the course, we've got 4 songs, and the names of the songs are Oro Shidvahawala, Bajin Enemy, and Pucker Bulla, and Oro Mavajin. Let's jump into On Pucker Bulla. It's a feisty song, it's got loads of energy, it's about an angry goat. And you'll immediately see that we've our exclusive Bite Size Irish audio buttons with clear audio recordings, translations, and even a phonetic pronunciation guide if you can't catch the sounds of certain words or phrases. Now we've broken down the song, so we've got about the song. It's really important for us that you have the cultural context of the song. So myself and Neil, we have a conversation describing and explaining the cultural and geographical and historical backgrounds of the different songs and what's special about each song. After that, once you understand where the song sits in Irish culture, you can start to jump into specific verses and the chorus. Where do you want to start? It really depends, but take it slowly and you can learn line by line and verse by verse. What if you were able to sing the first verse and the chorus? Fantastic. Then you can add other verses. We've had really good fun designing this course for you. Emma has done a fantastic job adding really good imagery here. So again, we've got the buttons, we've got explainer videos for how to sing. First of all, you hear the song, then we break down the translation of each of the lines. And once you've got a sense of the translation, further on in the video, we slowly go through the pronunciation line by line. So you can listen back as many times as you want and repeat with us. And then you get a chance to sing the song with us as well. In the pronunciation guide below, away from the video, you've got each line of the song broken down with our clear audio recordings, translations, and phonetic guides. Now, if you're interested in learning a bit more Irish language, because I think learning songs in Irish is a fantastic gateway to get into the language, to connect, really connect with the language. So we've broken down special grammar focus and vocabulary focus. These are explainer videos that Neil has recorded, and he summarizes special points of interest in terms of the language. And he's added some really cool quizzes and interactive features. Not just the quizzes, but you can ask questions on the pages and get help from the fluent team at Bite Size Irish. So you've done all that, gone into vocab, dialect focus. It depends on the song, and you get to sing the song with us through video form again. So you can do this, you can practice in your own time. You've got lyrics, you've got printable lyrics, printable paper size lyrics, but we also have a PDF size so you for your phone, so you can sing anywhere, maybe in the pub, who knows. And after that, we don't restrict ourselves to only our version. So we list YouTube videos of the specific and special recordings or renditions of the song that you're interested in. You'll also get to mark your progress as you go through the course. So you keep track of how far you've gone, which song you want to spend time with, which song you've spent time with before. So what I suggest when you get into the course after purchasing, have a browse through the 4 different songs and just pick out the song that really kind of resonates with you for whatever reason, the feisty energy, the revolutionary energy, the soft lullaby energy. It depends on which song you want. And then spend time with that song. Give that song space and don't have too much expectation on your shoulders. This is really a place for having fun and connection, connecting with the cultural context of the song. And then by understanding the context of the song and understanding the translation of the song, and after spending time working through the pronunciation of specific lines in the song, then you'll be able to practice and ultimately confidently share this song with others from a point of generosity. It's not about performance, it's not about good or bad. It's about having these songs in a place in your heart where you can share with others generously. Gur míle maith agat a chara. Thanks for watching.